Well, hello there folks, hope you're all keeping well. Rambling Gypsy here in the early morning sunshine at Colliford Lake, and Scruffy's just been in for his dip. Staying here for a couple of nights, and as you can see, we've got a few neighbours over there. Some nice folk. They come over and bought pegs from us and a few other little bits, so that was all good. So get your rucksack packed. I've got to go back and get mine packed in the van, and get your boots on and come along with me and Scruffy on a rambling gypsy journey. Happy days, my friends. Happy days. Well, we haven't been in this part of the world for a long time. That's Crantock Beach there. Looking back to Njoy. And we just parked up in the car park there today, and we're going to go a little wander down to Polyjoke. Love it here. Absolutely beautiful around here. And look at that weather as well for this time of year. Scruffy's in his element. He's back home. Love it down here at Polyjoke. And way back in the mid-90s, in the summer, I used to stay in the campsite up at the top there. Old fella called Mr. Harty used to own it then. From Waterford he was. And I think he's still alive. He must be cracking on a bit now though. Bless him. Many's the summer we spent up there. Absolutely beautiful. Scruffy there, loving it. Loving it. He is the little tinker. Just going to chill out here for a few hours. I brought the old wooden surfboard. I might even go in. I might even go in. You never know. Why not, eh? People used to say to my mum, you only live once. And my mum used to say, no, you only die once. You live every day. Here he is. Luxury.
Come on, Scruffy. Get one.
Well, I've just been in for a surf on my trusty old wooden plank surfboard. Do you remember them? Oh, that's made me awake. That's woke me right up. So refreshing. Long time since I've been in the sea. Too long, my friends. Wasn't even cold. Serious, it wasn't even cold. October now. No wetsuit. Haven't got a wetsuit. You wouldn't want to see me in a wetsuit, would you? I feel like the Michelin man. Oh man, that was ace. Even Scruffy little body surf, bless him. Still a nutcase. Forever a nutcase, isn't he? Just like his owner. We've just come up the cliffs for a little wander. That's looking back to Porthjoke there. Over towards the Bidgie. Who remembers the Bidgie? Had many's a pint in there, looking over the bay. That's Goose Rock there, just off Pentar Head in Newquay. That's looking up as far as Trevose Head, on the way to Padstow. on this little bit of rock here. That's called the Chick. And we'll just go and see if there's any seals down there. Love it. Some seals down there on the Chick. Back up in Natick here for a few days. One of our favourite spots, so peaceful here. And we'll just go for a little wander up the woods. See what the crack is up there. Morning, Scruff! Little tinker. There's a lime tree. There you go. It's a nice lime leaf, nice heart shaped. And earlier on in the year they have little catkins that hang down. Nice lime tree. Right. Through the gate here, Scruffy. And on down the bridleway. And up to the woods. I love the colours this time of year. There's the berries out on the hawthorn tree. Nice nature's harvest there for the squirrels and the birds. And the meadows here just being cut. There's Scruffy having a scratch. Alright, boy. You gotta have a scratch in the morning, don't you, boy? Well, folks, we just sat down here and had a crib overlooking this lovely meadow. And the weather's been kind this autumn so far. We're still in the shorts, look at that. Tie-dye vest, shorts and rigger boots. Sight for sore eyes, I tell you. You know, it's really mild still. And I remember a couple of years ago we made a video in November and I still had the kilt on. So make the most of it. What do you reckon, Scruff? Lovely. Proper old woodland camp here, look at that. Plenty of little huts here to stay on, Scruffy. That one. I love to see these. Made from the old hemlock trees and the Douglas firs. What do you reckon, Scruff? Should we move in? Number 6. There you go. Luxury in the woods. Well, this is the life, folks. I've just got myself a nice new toaster. It makes holy toast. And Scruffy's having a bark. We just got back to Gosmere now. And we're up Castle and Danis. Bit of rain this morning, but nice blue sky now. Look at that. Lovely, isn't it? Some nice heather still out there, start of October. And we've got the whole car parked to ourselves today. Bit of mist over Hensbarra Beacon there. And a bit of sunshine over Fradden and Indian Queens. What more could you want, my friends? Life is good. Well, I love having an explore in these old buildings. Look at that. We can move in there. It's the old tungsten mine, the old Wolfram mine up at Castle and Danis there, look. And I was here the other morning. A lovely barn owl come flying out of there and just perched itself on that post up there. But by the time I got the video ready, it had long gone. Always away in it. 3 deers as well popped out the other day up the top there. By the time you fumble and get the phone out, they're away. Some lovely little, look at them little birds there, little swifts and martins. Lovely to see, aren't they? Sometimes they're our only company up here, aren't they, Scruffy? And that's looking down towards Newquay there on the coast, and St Agnes Beacon there way in the distance. Lovely, isn't it? Lovely colours this time of year. There's Scruffy there, look. A few lambs have come to say good morning. Bless them. Nice spider's web there as well, look at that. Well folks, we're back on the south coast today. We're down at Town Beach there. Just on the road between Port Scafton and St Mawes. Haven't seen the sea for a while, and it's nice to see the sea. Scruffy's in trying to get a pine cone there. And about 10 minutes ago the little seal popped his head up. But he's disappeared now. Well, still a few folk around this time of year, and I must say it's nice to have weekends off. 54 in a few months. I've never had weekends off in my life before. It's nice though. Love it down here. That's Nair Head, just in the far distance there. Haven't been up there for a while. Nice little car park up the other side of that called Kibrick Cove. Might go down there one of these days. Beautiful. Nice blue sky again today, folks. We're parked under this lovely beech tree today, And what have we got on eBay this month? We've got a nice stick man. He's made out of hazel, nice Cornish hazel. And you hang him up there, look. That'll protect you. Keep the buggers from your door. And we've got some nice silver birch pendants. There you go. Some nice runes there. And then of course the stars, the hazel stars. We've got a couple of them on eBay this month. The good old gypsy pegs. My best seller they are. 18 pegs, 2 bunches of 9, made of hazel as well. And the surf bangles. Set of 4 there. Oh, we've got the gypsy bangles, different sort of designs here. They come in a set of 10. There's a set of 4. So there you go. That's the wares this month from underneath the beech tree in the gypsy wagon. Please look them up on eBay. The link will be down below. Well folks, hope you enjoyed this month on the road with me and Scruffy. As usual, we saw a few sights and sounds, didn't we? And nice to be back by the sea again. We'll be back very soon with some more gypsy shenanigans. With me and the wild Jack Russell that is Scruffy. So until then, my friends, keep smiling, confuse the buggers, and get yourself out there and keep close to nature's heart. You won't regret it. Salantia, Kustibok. We'll see you all again soon.